right, so welcome to weekend class, and you're in trouble. So have a seat, and let's see if we can fix these tech support issues. Okay? All right. iPad for Christmas keeps dying. I was gifted a 2021 um 10-inch Apple iPad refurbished, excellent condition. It took forever to turn on, kept bouncing between 1% to 2%, then back to 1%, and would die on charge. Got it past that phase. It died really quick. At two charges I got on it. I let it die last night and charged it throughout the night. I woke up, unplugged it, used it for about 2 minutes, and it died saying low battery on one charge. Sounds like a bad battery. Get the person who gifted to you, send it back and get a refund. Um, Hold up. No. This one is one of those where you gotta find out, okay, when you unplugged it, was it at 100% or was it at 5%? Those details matter because then that means you're using a very slow charger, or a charger is not even charging it. Like the wattage, it is so low that shit's just, when you plug it in, it's just to keep it on. But if you use it, that shit's gonna die. Because honestly, I get it. That guy wanted to write, sounds like a bad battery. It sounds like one of them texts that you call that, what? Like real fat. Boom, bad battery. Hold up. Like, check your shit. Like what I wrote is exactly what I will be asking, right? Because yeah, it's simple. So always, always, always ask those extra questions, even to yourself. Like just common sense, right? If it's not at 100% overnight, boom, there is a problem because it could be the charger. But if you're using an original charger, like an Apple one, then yeah, it's the battery, right? So yeah, we'll just leave that one alone. That was a good one. Good. All right. Error keeps appearing. I'm trying to sign into Epic's game launcher with an Xbox account for my Xbox, but keep getting this damn error. Damn. I have no clue how to fix the error. Is there was an error processing the credential from the external login system? Please contact support. Is there an outage on Epic right now? Or Xbox? Could be, right? Go online. Go try to log in online through the Epic. And if it lets you log in, then it could be an Xbox server issue right now or an outage. I don't know if there's an outage, but usually could be an outage if everything is correct. Yeah. Problem with mouse. Mouse disconnect and connect. Okay, good title. When I plug the mouse into the laptop, it makes some sounds. The same sounds when I put it in and take it out of the laptop. So it seems as if the mouse is connected and disconnected, even if it's in the laptop the whole time. What should I do? Yeah, like this guy said, could be bad port, bad mouse, bad drivers. Have you tried other USB devices and those USB ports? Try the mouse on another computer. Update the drivers. Man, hey, good job, sir. Like, see, instead of the other guy because he's a top commentator. I'm a little 1% commentator. He would have said, "Oh, it's a bad mouse. Throw it away. Buy a new one. Bye." But this is real tech support right here. Ask questions instead of assuming. You know what assume means? You make an ass of you and me if you assume. Okay? kernel issues with anti-cheats. Come on, man. I'm experiencing a persistent and critical issue triggering while playing Rainbow Six Siege, resulting in instant crashes of all anti-cheat protected games. Non-anti-cheat titles launch without issue. Well, duh, you're not using no cheats. So yet the same problem occur and was temporarily resolved by relocating RAM sticks to A1B1. Huh. I've never had issues with anti-cheats. Have you? I've never have issues. The only people that have issues with this is because they got other stuff on their. They're gonna say no, you're wrong. There has to be something. See this access violation? What is that? Right? What is that? That's what I will search. That will tell us exactly where your issue is at. He even says, I'm suspecting a low-level kernel driver conflict, possibly triggered by past crash residues. No, past crash. If you used to use cheats, yes, it could be an issue from past crash issues. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. I know you're doing all the checks and everything like that, but something is triggering that. Something. And during the game, well, okay, so what cheat did you enable during the game? Or what did you connect during the game? I know I'm being negative right now because I'm assuming that he cheats or he used to cheat or not trying to tell us he cheats, but man, I can't trust people, man. I can't trust, like, the tech support part is like you're trying to trust somebody that told you everything, right? All right. Okay. Help with Odyssey G9. I think it's G, yeah. I have a new Samsung Odyssey monitor and I would like to connect to my laptop, but it keeps blinking the Samsung logo in black screen. I'm able to connect it via HDMI cord, but only for a few seconds and then returns to blinking the Samsung logo. Information, monitor, laptop. I have a new Samsung, but I would like to connect to my laptop. Oh, okay. So I ran into this issue before. You just need to find out if there's updated display drivers. I ran into this issue before where you connect to HDMI, it was working all of a sudden, and then all of a sudden it stopped working after an update. But as soon as it was one of my nephews, as soon as I told him, hey, just search your laptop name and drivers, and usually it'll pop up the manufacturer. And when you go in there, yeah, there was in there, there was a 2 display driver updates, and there was another update that was for a display too. I think it was HDMI or something like that, but that usually will help it. So yeah, that's what I would do. Okay. All right. RAM stick not working in my PC, but working fine in the shop I bought it from. In short, I have this very stubborn RAM module that just refuses to post even on its own. I've gone to RMA it and it booted perfectly fine on their machine. I'm not sure what specs it had though. A bit longer, I have a mobile with 4 DIMM slots, and at the time I had Ryzen 5 1600 as a CPU. Funny thing is, it booted even with all 4 sticks installed, but only before I replaced my PC case. After that, I stopped posting. The mobile LED stops at DRAM, nothing happens, even being single in different slots. I tried all 4, like it's just faulty. Yeah, no. If your RAM is working at the other shops, something else. And after trying to fiddle around, lower the frequency while working sick, I gave up and brought it back to the shop. They tried using it right before my eyes and it worked fine the first time, like nothing ever happened. And so I come back home, install it again, it still doesn't boot. Different slots, resetting, clearing CMOS, nothing helps. Every other stick is working perfectly fine. Why are you taking just the RAM? It's like you're holding back something, right? It's like going, it's like working on your car. Oh, I love cars. Sorry, man. I like car analogies. It's like working on a car, right? And your engine is not working, but you're working on everything else, like your transmission, everything, right? And you switch out all the wires and everything. But you're so mechanically inclined, you only take the engine to the shop and say, "Hey, can you check this engine, please?" And they hook it up to their own wires and everything's working. And then you take it back, connect it. Oh no, it's not working. No, bullshit. This shop sucks. No, you suck. Take the whole damn computer to them. You're being cheap. You don't want them to look at it or don't want to pay for it, but it sounds like you don't want to pay for it or you did something and you don't want them to check your computer. Yeah. Just take your whole computer. You already took it, the RAMs to them. Pay, man. Sometimes you gotta pay because it could be an easy issue, but you haven't found it. Okay, let's do one more. Yeah. My son got a PC for Christmas. Cannot download NVIDIA. I'm so sorry. This question that's been asked a million times. I'm not tech savvy, and my son got a gaming PC for Christmas. He's been trying to play Drive Beyond Horizon, but it's laggy. It's unplayable. We then tried to download the newest version as we had an error message to say the install version graphics driver have known issues in D3D11 and that we should install the latest driver version or switch to a different rendering API. We have tried to do so and the installer won't start. All of this information might as well be a foreign language to me. I've been trying to look it all up to no avail and feeling sad for my dejected son. Does anyone have any recommendations, please? All right. So the GPU doesn't have full support with D3D11, only partial. Look what this guy says. Did you accidentally plug the monitor into the motherboard? Okay, he says no. I'm sorry, but VGA? Exactly. Is the cable is connected to GPU monitor? VGA on a GPU? And then when I read D311, that's DirectX 11? What version are we in? Yeah, you gotta be using a. You know what? What GPU do you have? I forgot to even ask that. Let me see if he answers this question. You don't even know. Well, duh, he says he's not tech savvy. Yeah, everybody's like, yeah, this could be an old computer. Yeah. The Core i7, 16 gig RAM, 200 V. Oh, there you go. GT730. Yeah, that's 4 gig. Yeah. The old, man. It's very old. If you pay more than 50 or 100 for the system, you got massively scam. I hope. How much did you pay, man? Oh, damn. That's like, I hate when that stuff happens to people. But man, just it's like a 14 years old. Oh, I hope you didn't pay that much, man. It sucks. Even for Christmas. This some guys scam them if they paid like 500, 600. Oh my god, like people, this is I get it. You're not technically inclined, but get the specs. Just ask, hey, what are the specs? Even if you don't, what are the specs? They'll send you the specs like you just did. Ask like you just asked. If you don't know, even like put that info on Google. If you would have put that T730, it would have told you it's an old graphics card. If you don't know, ask. I get it. Sometimes I say, hey, go research. But when you're not technically inclined, hey, at least you had a picture and say, hey, I'm not technically inclined and I don't know what this means. What is this? You would have got the same response. Hey, man, that's super old. Like, what are you trying to do? And with him not responding, how much he paid, oh, man, it sucks. Well, guess Merry Christmas. You got scammed. Oh, man, that sucks when that happens. All right, we'll end it with right there. If you like my content, like it and subscribe because I do this every day. And if you do have any suggestions, let me know. And if you do have any tech issues, let me know in the comments or go to my Reddit, Pina Tech Support, and write it there. And then I might choose one of those posts to put on a video. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Okay. Bye.